Hey everyone, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. If you're trying to create amazing videos for your business or side hustle, but you don't have the time or the skills to edit, AI is your new best friend. But which tool should you use or choose? Today we're breaking down two giants, and they are Phant AI Video Maker, Video and Image Maker, versus Invideo AI. Let's get to it. When we look at the features, let's see how they stack up. Let's look at what they're best for. Phant Video Maker is best for ultra realistic and viral shots, while InVideo AI is best for polished. Yes, it has to be polished. Yes, polished, story-driven content. Now, if we look at the vibe that Phant gives, is a font of creative spirit. It is fast, it is artistic, and it is surprising. Gives you surprisingly good results. While InVideo AI is a strategic marathon, reliable, professional, and structured. Now, if we look at the magic, the magic starts. Phant AI's magic starts with a single crazy image or a short text idea, while InVideo starts with a detailed article, script, or a clear goal, for example, YouTube ad. Then let's look at their customization. Phant AI Video on image and image maker customization is high because you guide the AI like a co-pilot, tweaking styles frame by frame. While that of InVideo is smart and efficient. You have tons of templates, you have stock media and easy text and voiceover edits. Lastly, let's look at who are the ideal users for Phant AI, and they are social media managers, artists, anyone needing standout visual stories fast. So who are the ideal users for InVideo AI? That is marketers, educators, businesses creating explainer videos, presentations, and ads. Simple as that. So Phant AI is your go-to for breathtaking, unique visuals that stop the scroll. InVideo AI is your powerhouse for creating clear, effective, and professional videos at scale. So the bottom line is, if your goal is viral, worthy, visual impact, then choose Phant AI. But if you need consistent professional storytelling, InVideo AI is your winner. That's the breakdown. So which one are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tools that help you build your wealth. We'll see you in the next video.